Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. This morning in one of my classes there was a rather surreal moment when a student of mine revealed the fact that a couple of years ago her and her husband got together with a few other couples they knew, and no, it's not going to be that kind of story by the way, and they decided to throw a fancy dress party. Nothing too strange in that, you might be thinking, but my student then let slip that she turned up at this fancy dress party dressed as a pig. When she told me this, I figured that I must have misheard her. Maybe I'd got her wrong in some way. So I checked and said, sorry, you went as a what? I went as a pig, she said. A pig, I responded. Oh, the mind boggles. We often say the mind boggles when we hear something that we find difficult to imagine because it's so strange, or maybe something that we find hard to understand because it's so complicated. And this can be in a positive way or a negative way. So maybe if you know someone who's achieved something remarkable, you might say, the mind boggles when you think about what that woman has managed to achieve. Sometimes when my son comes home from school, having lost his lunchbox yet again, we have a little conversation that goes something like this. Dad, I can't find my lunchbox. I think I've managed to lose it again. How did you manage that? I've no idea. The mind boggles. Maybe if you're the kind of person who sometimes sits and contemplates the enormity of space, you may find that when you try to get your head round infinity, it boggles the mind. So it can be done this way round as well. The mind boggles, it boggles the mind. Last year, when I was watching a player called Pepe play for Arsenal, sorry, my phone alarm going off. When I was watching a player called Pepe play for Arsenal, one frequent comment was, how on earth did we end up paying £72 million for him? God, the mind boggles. If you've enjoyed this video, despite the interruption from my telephone alarm there, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use the mind boggles, or of things that boggle your mind.